Morning guys, so this week we're going to be doing some floor tiling, so quite a big area. We're going to be doing it all the way down here over this wood floor. So yeah, big area to do. It's going to take about 2 weeks. We've got a radiator to change, some cuts round a fire which are going to be pretty hard. So this is a board, it's like a concrete board, like concrete boards sort of thing, cement based or something. And then we're going to put them down. We've got some screws, but they're quite long, so we're going to screw them where joists are. But I've just took up this panel, this floor. We're going to have to do it further down as well, just to check and make sure we're not going to hit any pipes. So the one down there and then a couple more. So to gear this for the joints. We put this on every joint. Yeah, apparently this stuff sets under seawater and it sets in 5 to 10 minutes, so pretty fast stuff. So we've got some of the boards down. We haven't got this down yet, we'll do this at a later date. We're going to change radiator, so these aren't down. And we're just putting on the tiling SPR now. You know what it is. Oh yeah, look. Tilers, primer, but basically it's just SPR. So it's exactly the same as the big tubs of SPR. But it probably costs you more because it's in a little bottle. So we're just putting that on and then we'll mix some of this up. Got some rapid set, and then these are tiles, and it gives you 2 patterns, that one and that one, so we're going to go for this pattern. So we'll get it painted and we'll put a mix on. So we've just got laser set up to get it squared off the units, and with 60mm away there, we should be the same there, yeah, 60. So no square against this edge, and then if we're out on that edge, it don't really matter too much because she's grabbing some units built here, so you're not going to notice because it's going in and out a bit there. So as long as we're straight on the bit that you're going to see the most, that's where we're going to start off. So we'll run it from that corner down, and we can just measure off this laser line, and we know it's going to look nice and square. So we've got this plan here, so we're looking at a big one to start off with. So I'm just going to place this. So I want the kickboard to cover it. So we're going to have to have it square to that. Try and square it with arger, and hopefully we're not going to be too far. So that is 355. What we've got here, where's the line? 350. So we just need to put this in 5 mil. That's on the line. 350. 350. So that's a nice square against the side as well. So that's working out well. Right, we'll get some more line. So just put the SPR on there. nice and thick. We'll just let it dry for 10 minutes. And that's what we did the other day. And then we're just going to have to mist these bits out here. Because the radiator, the new radiator that's going on, I think is a bit shorter. So we're going to have to move these pipes. So we'll have to leave these bits out for now. Until the radiator comes and we can sort that out later. So we thought we were doing great, cracking on with this, and then we got to the grouting, and when you grout, oh my god, it fills the whole lot up, and you've got to get it back down to the square. So you've really got to, each joint, what is it, wax on, wax off, Danielson.
Oh yes, Danielson.
Oh. Yeah, it's going to take a while. I think you're more like Cinderella, Tim, not Karate Kid.
Karate Kid.
So we've just took the old radiators off, and then the new radiator is going to go on. But we need to get all water stopped and everything, because we haven't done that yet. So and then we can take these off. Well, I'm going to end up cutting pipe because she wants chrome. Then we'll put some chrome ones in, and then we're going to have to cut tiles before we pipe all the radiator back up, so they slip over nicely. That's the idea anyway. So other radiator that we've got, this one here, is a bit shorter. So we need to find centre of window. So 1922. Then in this way, if you're done like me and you can't measure, fold your draping out, look down it, and it is 960. So 960. 960 is the centre. Just check it. Yep, spot on. Yep, so we've got the bottom brackets on, and then all I've done, I haven't put top ones on yet, just ordered them up like that, draw them around them, and then I'm going to take this radiator off and drill the top ones in. So we've done the adjustable bracket first, we put radiator on, levelled it all up, and then we took them up, we've drawn the hole in the bottom, marked that, drilled that, and then we'll put them all back on properly, because there's some caps as well that go on there to make it look nice. And then you don't end up moving it and drilling the same hole twice, because it won't fit that way. Cut it. Yeah. Yep. Well. Lovely. Whoa, good, I'm dropping the thing. There we go, look. We're good. Plenty of tape on. So this is the hardest part of the job. We don't want to move this because we don't want to damage any of this pipe, so we can't move it. So I've set a back one out and we've cut round it. Then I've made a template and that will go on like that, and then we can mark round and we'll do as cut. So I just if I square it up against that back like that, then hopefully I'm going to have to do this all the way around, just make templates all the way around. So It's a bit of a fiddly one. But I'll just keep going it, and if it needs a little bit more, I'll cut a little bit more. So this is going to take a while, this bit, but hopefully we can get it looking good. So that is it, the job is done. We've put a nice trim round that as well, that little half. We've got them cuts looking good. So yeah, we've finished it all, got it all done, and I know what your guys are thinking. When are we going to see some more brickwork? Well, I've been pricing it up, so I haven't got any in at the minute, but I will have soon, hopefully, if I get the prices right. So who knows what we'll be doing next. Right guys, I'll see you in the next one.